Hello there, I'm Yvonne de Celis coming to you on YDCtv. It is Friday and it is currently February 22nd, 2019, and it is about 1:45 in the afternoon. I'm doing a repeat of an energy medicine exercise that I taped and put up on YouTube yesterday. Sorry for doing the same thing. I've had a couple of requests for this, but I'm also kind of doing a YouTube experiment, so please bear with me if you've already seen this. I apologize, but really hope this helps you. This is going to be the hookup and the zip up. And with the zip up, I want to show you how to do it for your governing meridian as well as your central. But I'm going to just start off first with the hookup. It's a very easy exercise. It's protective, and according to what I've read about it, it's very good if you need to help yourself out of a situation where you're dealing with toxic people, or if you're just in a toxic situation. This is a good way to protect yourself from it. So I'm going to stand. You do not have to stand to do any of these exercises. You can do them sitting or laying down, but for this one you have to put one middle finger into your belly button, or on your belly button. So one finger in the navel and the other one goes right at your third eye, and the third eye is pretty much right at the bridge of the nose, right over where the eyebrows almost meet. So push in and up a little bit, and then just breathe in if you can through the nose, out through the mouth. And just breathe in a few times. You should feel some sort of a shift. If you do not feel a temperature or a pressure shift or just some kind of change, you should notice something. If you don't feel anything when you do this, then another thing you can do, as opposed to keeping one finger on your stomach, is put one finger on your third eye, once again, so right above where the eyebrows almost meet, right at the bridge of the nose. And the other hand, I'm going to actually stand to show you this, because if I swivel in the chair, all you'll see is the back of my chair. The other hand has to go at the very base of the back of your skull, right at the very bottom. So just press in at the bottom of the skull, press in and up, and both the third eye and the base of the skull, and do the breathing here. Once again, in through the nose, out through the mouth if you can, but if you cannot do that comfortably, just breathe however feels best to you. It shouldn't be a struggle. If you find yourself struggling to breathe in any way, shape, or form due to allergies, anything like that, just breathe so that you don't have to concentrate on the breathing. But anyway, that's the hookup. I want to show you guys the zip up next. The zip up is very good. It's very protective. It helps you form an energy bubble. It joins your upper energy field with your lower. So basically with this one, put your hands together facing out, and you go to the pubic bone, and you are literally zipping up. You can pretend you are using a zipper, and you're zipping your energy field up to your lower lip, and then when you get here, just go out to the sides and make like a locking motion. That's for the front. That's for the central meridian. For your governing meridian, I'm going to stand again. The governing meridian is at the back, so it starts off here at the base of your spine. And what you want to do is just bring your hand up as far as you can. You don't have to worry about bringing it up super high. Just go up as far as you can. My shoulder just clicked. I don't know if you heard that. But keeping your hand back there, with your other hand, just go back as far as you can. If they don't touch in the back, that's fine. They don't have to. Just go close. You can move the other hand away now. You can relax the shoulder. And then you're going to go above your head and off the nose. And then to fully join both the central and governing meridian, just put your index finger on your lower lip, push in, and just bring your head up a little bit. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And now you have joined up all of your energy, your upper, your lower, and back and front. So front is central, back is governing. So all of the energy has been synced up, and you're now in a protective bubble of energy. This is also good for strengthening your immune system. It can help with coordination. It can help clear your mind. So anyway, I'm really hoping these exercises help you. As always, namaste. Thank you so much for coming. Please don't forget to subscribe and or like or comment. Some sort of interactivity would be really wonderful. So thank you once again, and I will see you again probably next week with more energy medicine exercises. Let me know if you have any requests or anything like that.